You're watching Reality Check. The Rajasthan political cliffhanger, at least for the moment, seems to have come to an end with the Congress and Sachin Pilot formally sealing a peace deal tonight. Statement issued by the Congress party saying that there was a frank meeting between Rahul Gandhi and Sachin Pilot today where Sachin Pilot laid down his grievances, after which Sonia Gandhi has agreed to form a 3-member committee which will look into the grievances of Sachin Pilot and his MLAs and try and come up with a solution. Now this comes after, from what we've heard, on Sunday evening, Sachin Pilot reached out to top Congress firefighters KC Venugopal and Ahmed Patel. A number of calls between both these sides leading in Sachin Pilot meeting Rahul Gandhi today, meeting reportedly also attended by Priyanka Gandhi, at which meeting it was decided that truce will be called. But at the same time, the Congress making it clear that any solution will not involve the removal of Ashok Gehlot. So Ashok Gehlot will remain as Chief Minister. What will happen to Sachin Pilot remains unclear, but the Congress indicating he will not be getting back the post of State Congress President. So will he go back to being Deputy Chief Minister, or is there a role at the centre that the Congress is contemplating? The details still remain unclear. But for the moment at least, the Gehlot government will be able to breathe a sigh of relief with, in fact, rebel Congress MLAs. Congress MLAs who were rebels just until yesterday have now started to trickle into Jaipur, and some of them are actually meeting Mr. Gehlot. All right, let's go across to our panel. We have with us senior BJP leader Gulab Chand Kataria. He's been former Home Minister of Rajasthan. He's joining us. Also joining us, Jaiveer Shergill, Congress spokesperson, and Aarti Jarat and Neerja Chaudhary, senior journalists and political analysts, are joining us on the show. Let me just start, Gulab Chand ji, मैं आपके साथ start करना चाहता हूँ कि ये क्या जो पूरा एक तरह से बीजेपी ने ऑपरेशन कमला 2 या 3.0 राजस्थान में रचने की कोशिश की थी, ये पूरी तरह से फ्लॉप हो गई। क्या इसकी यही वजह है कि वसुंधरा राजे जी सुनने में आए, वो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं थी इस पूरे कैंपेन में?
मैं सोचता हूँ ये सच ये नहीं है। अगर ये संघर्ष शुरू हुआ तो कांग्रेस का कांग्रेस के साथ हुआ, मुख्यमंत्री का उप मुख्यमंत्री से हुआ, 2 बाड़ेबंदी हुई तो कांग्रेस की हुई। दोनों ने एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने के लिए जिस प्रकार के अभी, लेकिन बीजेपी का इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। ये तो जोड़,
बीजेपी का भी तो इसमें हाथ रहा। बीजेपी
की न कोई कोशिश नहीं थी, हम तो इनका नाटक देख रहे थे। और अगर यही काम इनको करना था तो 1 महीने बाद करने की क्या जरूरत थी? ये पहले भी कर लेते तो राजस्थान की जनता को इतना कष्ट तो नहीं भुगतना पड़ता।
नहीं, क्योंकि
लड़े भी आपस में, यही दोनों लड़े।
लेकिन कांग्रेस का कहना है कि उसकी वजह मेन थी क्योंकि बीजेपी बागियों के पीछे खड़ी थी। कभी कभी होटल में हरियाणा में उनको पुलिस की प्रोटेक्शन दे रही है, और कभी गवर्नर साहब असेंबली सेशन को टाल रहे हैं।
भगवान के लिए इनको सच बोलना चाहिए कि आपके दोनों का डिफरेंस उस दिन से है जिस दिन आप मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री बने कि नहीं बने। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा मैंने 18 महीने तक कभी उनसे संवाद नहीं किया। तो जो आपने शुरुआत चल रही थी वही आपके खेमे थे। और अगर आप वापस मिले हो तो आप दोनों कांग्रेसी मिले हो। हमारा इसने, हमने तो शुरू से कहा था हम आपके इस नाटक को देख रहे हैं, और राजस्थान की 7 करोड़ जनता आपके इस खबरे को देख रही है।
अच्छा, तो बट आप कह रहे हैं लेट्स जस्ट गेट अ रिस्पांस फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस, बिकॉज जयवीर शेरगिल, यू नो, इट मे बी ऑल वेरी वेल नाउ फॉर द कांग्रेस टू से दैट the divisions are over and it's a happy homecoming, but the fact is that all through this time you kept accusing the rebels, Sachin Pilot himself, of being in cahoots with the BJP. Mr. Gehlot has said that on record a number of times. The Congress has released supposed recordings of your own MLAs in touch with the BJP. How does all that get wiped under the carpet? Jaiveer Shergill.
श्रीनिवास जी, आई जस्ट वांट टू से 2 or 3 थिंग्स। पहले तो मैं गुलाब चंद जी जो मुझसे उम्र में बड़े, उनकी बात सुन रहा था और हिंदी का एक शेर याद आ गया कि आज तुम्हारे पांव के नीचे जमीन नहीं और इस बात का फिर भी तुम्हें यकीन नहीं। सत्य सूरज और चांद छुपाए नहीं छुपता, क्या ये सत्य नहीं? वसुंधरा राजे जी दिल्ली में डेरा जमाए बैठी थी? क्या ये सत्य नहीं 20 भाजपा के विधायक को या 6 को गुजरात जाना पड़ा? क्या ये सत्य नहीं गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत आज भी जांच में हिस्सा लेने से मना कर रहे हैं? क्या ये सत्य नहीं कि धन बल, जन बल और गवर्नर के बल का इस्तेमाल करके आप विधानसभा का सेशन नहीं बुला रहे थे? नाउ कम टू कांग्रेस.
Now come to Congress. Coming to the supposed links between the Sachin Pilot camp and the BJP. Yes.
The two things, irrespective of the outcome of today's meeting or the so-called truce you have put, there are two unchangeable facts. Number one, all is well for the Congress and all is in the well for the Bharatiya Janata Party as their undemocratic face, their misplaced priorities of fighting corona instead of killing democracy. No, I'm answering specifically. I am answering specifically to you now.
Okay.
The truce between or the Congress's internal differences being settled is no clean chit to Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, who is caught on the tape. That investigation must and should proceed.
What about
why Ashok Singh and Bharat Malani were there?
To Sachin Pilot and to his MLAs, who you, by all accounts, you've been saying are in touch with the BJP.
Yes, 1 second. The first day, from the very first day, the Congress stand has been consistent and continuous that the rebel or the upset MLAs should give up the Bharatiya Janata Party hospitality, should come to within the folds of the Congress. Today, it has happened. So today is a win-win situation for the Congress and a loss-loss situation for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
ये बताइए गुलाब चंद जी कि ये जो कह रहे हैं जयवीर शेरगिल की मेन वजह ये थी कि वसुंधरा जी जब दिल्ली आई उन्होंने साफ कर दिया कि भाई हमारा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
मैं ये सोचता हूं कि इनको शब्दों से बहुत अच्छा चयन किया, पर सच्चाई पर आओ. राहुल गांधी की प्रियंका की मीटिंग हमने कराई थी, हमारे कहने से करी थी इन्होंने 1 महीने बाद, या आपका मामला था जो आपने किया है?
वसुंधरा राजे जी
काम वास्तव में क्या है? केवल शब्दों के झाल
के बारे में.
वसुंधरा राजे जो है
जी,
वसुंधरा राजे जी हमारी लीडर है और वहां दिल्ली में अगर हमारे बड़े नेताओं से बात करती है तो राजस्थान की मुख्यमंत्री रही है, चर्चा करना उनका दायित्व भी है और उनकी जिम्मेदारी भी है.
अच्छा.
इसको केवल कहानी किस्सा बना करके अच्छे शब्दों में पिरोने से काम नहीं चलता है. जो काम राहुल गांधी ने आज किया, प्रियंका ने आज किया, ये काम आप 10 दिन में 5
महीने पहले क्यों नहीं किया? ठीक है, मैं पूछूंगा.
निपटाने का यही एक माध्यम था.
अच्छा, मैं जरूर जयवीर शेरगिल से ये सवाल करूंगा.
तो आप दोनों
अच्छा, मैं करूंगा जयवीर शेरगिल से ये सारे आपके जो सवाल हैं, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू ब्रिंग इन नीरजा एंड आरती. सो Neerja, just to start with you, that while it may certainly be a temporary win, it would appear for the Congress and Ashok Gehlot, the fact is we still don't have details of what exactly Sachin Pilot's role is going to be. And doesn't that still carry with it the potential for future tension?
Yeah, it has the potential for future tensions unless the High Command sits them down and can work out a proper truce. And I think, if you look at them individually, the two players, Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, they are amongst the most talented in the Congress today.
Yeah.
Sachin Pilot for the energy and ideas that he had brought to revive the party in Rajasthan. And Ashok Gehlot, I must give it to him, the way he has fought back to save his government. And that kind of a fighting spirit the Congress could really do with.
Right.
And of course, there is a trail of bitterness. It's very, very difficult for both of them. But, in the larger interests, their own interests...
They have to bury the hatchet.
We hope that they will bury the hatchet.
Okay.
And I wouldn't be surprised that Mr. Gehlot, despite everything he said, and I must give it to Sachin Pilot, not a word against Mr. Gehlot personally, not one word.
He may not have... hold on. He may not have, but his MLAs... Many of his MLAs, I'll see, maybe we can try to line up some of those video clips. His MLAs have certainly attacked Mr. Gehlot openly. We'll just try and see if we can play that in a second. But Aarti, I think that point is clear that regardless of how the devil is always in the detail, but regardless of that, Ashok Gehlot really has emerged as a big winner. He literally gave the BJP a dose of its own playbook.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, unlike Kamal Nath, who I think was maybe taken by surprise or I don't know what, but the way he just kind of tamely surrendered, in front of the BJP, Ashok Gehlot has fought back. And he's proved to be a very clever, savvy politician who, used all the tricks at his disposal to, save his government. And hats off to the man, really. But, Vasu, at the same time, I do believe that I think Ashok Gehlot has also had to climb down a little bit because he was really skating on thin ice. With that petition in the Supreme Court challenging the merger of the BSP MLAs into the Congress party.
Which is up tomorrow,
which is up tomorrow. God knows which way that, order will go. And, his numbers then would be really wafer thin.
No, I think you're right, because the fact is that the statement does say that there are grievances that Sachin Pilot has, the MLAs have. So there's an acknowledgement that there are grievances, and there is going to be this committee which will try and, I assume, mediate between these factions. So, so in that sense, Mr. Gehlot is in a sense also under watch. But the question, Jayaveer,
and remember, Vasu, he called him Nikamma.
Yes.
I mean, Pilot may not have said anything, but Ashok Gehlot did not mince his words.
Yes, no, he didn't. He didn't mince his words at all. But Jayaveer, the question is, what is Mr. Pilot going to be doing now? What will he go back as Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and State President, Congress?
Srinivasji, I want to say one thing. I think in your show, you've used the word temporary solution twice and thrice. With utmost humility and respect, respect to you, I want to say one thing. In terms of chemistry and maths, the Congress Rajasthan government is as solid as a rock of Gibraltar, unmoved, unshakable by money and muscle power. Number two, you've asked me about Mr. Pilot's future plans.
Yes.
I am a national spokesperson who does not have mastery over astrology. I can reply on facts based on real-time solutions, not on potential situation based on speculation.
So what is the current...
Number three,
what is the real-time situation as of now? As of now,
the real-time situation
is Sachin Pilot getting back his 2 posts?
A real-time solution, whatever the outcome will be of this dialogue, discussion, debate, agreements, disagreements will be led by this 3-member committee. The role of individuals concerned will be decided by the individuals and the committee formed. I cannot at this juncture make any additions or subtractions to the statement issued. But if you permit me only 30 seconds.
I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. I think it was an unfair thing to ask you because that's still obviously something to be evolved. But मेरा एक सवाल है गुलाब चंद जी से. मेरा हमेशा इन चीज़ों में एक क्यूरियोसिटी है कि जैसे मान लीजिए कहा गया है कि बीजेपी भी इस षड्यंत्र में शामिल था, एमएलएस को पैसे दिए गए और कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग्स का भी जिक्र हुआ. तो जब ये ऐसा प्लान फेल हो जाता है तो जो एमएलएस को जो पैसे दिए गए हैं उस पैसे का क्या होता है? क्या उन्हें रिफंड करना पड़ता है पैसे को? गुलाब चंद जी.
हाँ जी.
गुलाब चंद जी.
हाँ जी.
मेरा ये सवाल था कि जो आरोप है जो पैसे दिए गए, तो जैसे प्लान फेल हो गया तो क्या पैसे को रिफंड करना पड़ता है एमएलएस को?
मैं सोचता हूं कि इस प्रकार की बातों का कोई अर्थ नहीं है. झगड़ा है तो इनके आपस का है, समझौता है तो इनके आपस का है. राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका 1 महीने के बाद समझौते के लिए बैठती है तो यही 5 दिन पहले भी बैठ सकते थे, 20 दिन पहले भी बैठ सकते थे. झगड़ा भी इन्होंने किया, समझौता भी इन्होंने किया और इसका सारा का सारा दोष भारतीय जनता पार्टी पे जो मढ़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. मैं सोचता हूं इस पर में कोई सच्चाई नहीं. हमने पहले दिन से ये कहा था कि अगर आपको आना है तो विश्वास मत लेकर के हाउस में आ जाओ. ये मैं 14 जो है इस जुलाई के दिन इस जुलाई को कहा था. और वास्तव में अगर ये चाहते तो झगड़ा इनका, हम तो केवल इसको ईमानदारी से देख रहे थे इनके एक्शन को, और उसके आधार पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपनी नीति तय करेगी, कार्यक्रम तय करेगी. ये जबरदस्ती हमको घसीटने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. अगर सच्चाई है अगर सच्चाई है ना, ये सरकार चला रहे हैं तो हमारे खिलाफ कार्रवाई करके बताओ ना. अगर सच्चाई है तो हमारे खिलाफ मुकदमा दर्ज करो, कार्रवाई करो, जो भी आपका कानून कहता है उसके अनुसार करो। झूठ बोल करके बात को इधर उधर घुमाने का प्रयास नहीं करो। जो काम आपने राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका ने आज किया वो 1 महीने पहले।
अच्छा ठीक है, आप 1 महीने की बात पे उस पे हैं, but you know I just want to play the video and the audio of these MLAs. Now they're all having their sort of homecoming, but just listen to the kind of allegations they were making just a few weeks ago. Let's listen. These are all pilot camp MLAs.
उन्होंने कहा
ऑडियो जो वीडियो है
जाके विधानसभा में
और प्रलोभन देने की, पैसे के करोड़ों की लेन देन की बात पहले भी कही थी।
तो मैं ऐसी चीज दिखा देता है जो हकीकत और होती है और वास्तविकता और होती है। आज उन्होंने जिस तरह
हाँ ठीक 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 साइड में हो जाओ, जाने दो। ठीक ठीक
उन्होंने कहा कि एमएलए को
So Jaiveer Shergill, you've had MLAs, your own MLAs alleging that Mr. Gehlot was mismanaging the government. They alleged that Mr. Gehlot paid them bribes when they were in the BSP to get them to cross over. What happens to all that?
One second. I think there is a sense of confusion. Yes, there is no shying away from the fact that the entire Rajasthan episode has highlighted the internal differences between two sides, but has also reaffirmed Congress Party's willingness, commitment to keep everybody together and listen to their grievances within the boundaries of the party discipline. I think that has reaffirmed that. That is why this 3-member committee. And I'm a bit confused and flummoxed. बार बार गुलाब चंद जी कह रहे राहुल गांधी को, प्रियंका गांधी को 1 महीना पहले कर देना चाहिए था। आपके ही तो राज्यपाल सभा नहीं होने दे रहे थे, आपकी ही वसुंधरा राजे दिल्ली बैठी हुई थी। आपको अगर जो कानून कांग्रेस पे लगाते हैं भाजपा पर भी लगाइए। कर्नाटक के उप मुख्यमंत्री वहां से नाराज होकर दिल्ली आ जाते हैं, आप उस पर चुप्पीधारी बैठे हैं। गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत आज तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन में नहीं जा रही है। आप मत घबराइए, सचिन पायलट हैं, हमारे साथ हैं, पर गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत पे कानून के हाथ जरूर पहुंचेंगे।
अच्छा पहुंचेंगे। बट नीरजा, नाउ is this going to be tough? It is going to be tough though for Mr. Gehlot, you know, regardless of what the Congress may say, it is going to be challenging to push through for the remaining tenure?
No, it depends on how things are handled both by the High Command and by the two main antagonists, if one can call them that. And I think it seems that the rebels have accepted that Mr. Gehlot will continue as the Chief Minister. Earlier they were wanting a change in leadership. And I think that's the way it should be. But an honorable role, I don't say an honorable position necessarily, but an honorable role should be given to Sachin Pilot. So, you know, just as he managed to revive the party in Rajasthan and put his all into it those 5 years, so also that can be done at the national level. It can be done in other states. While he says Rajasthan is his karma bhumi and he's the MLA there and he will have a role there, should have a role there, I think his talent should be used at the national level in an honorable fashion.
Okay, but you know, we're not sure whether the Congress is going to do that. So in some ways, Aarti, Sachin Pilot, I mean, big win for Ashok Gehlot, but Sachin Pilot doesn't find himself in the greatest position, at least as of tonight.
No, I mean, quite clearly it's a climb down, and quite clearly, Vasu, he simply didn't have the numbers to bring that government down. You know, I think what he was really hoping for was that he takes one lot of MLAs out of the Congress, and then the BJP would do the rest. You know, by sort of encouraging other MLAs to come. The BJP was unable to do it because they've got their own problems with Vasundhara Raje, who did not want this government. I mean, very clearly she was you know, opposed to bringing the Gehlot government down because she knew that she was not going to be the chief minister. Somebody else would be. But, you know, the real key here is, Vasu, now the Congress is going to set up a 3-member committee, and today, you know, I mean, is a good day for the Congress because they've managed to resolve this crisis and the
send it to committee.
And but that's the point. Send it to committee and then go to sleep. Is that what they're going to do? That's what they cannot afford to do. You know, Rahul Gandhi has to be much more hands-on in managing the Congress, the affairs of the Congress party, in managing these differences. Otherwise, this crisis is going to erupt again.
Yeah.
I mean, Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot are not good friends, and they will never be good friends because there is a rivalry there.
Especially after, that's true. Especially after being called Nikamma and Nakara and this and that. So that's really...
No, and I think Pilot has ambitions. I think Pilot would like to be the, replace Ashok Gehlot closer to the elections and lead the party into the elections.
Okay, we'll get Jaiveer Sehgal is dying to jump in, but before I come to you, Jaiveer Sehgal, a quick word from Gulab Chand ji. Gulab Chand ji, बात तो हो रही है सचिन पायलट की, लेकिन क्या भाजपा भी मानती है कि जिस तरह से अशोक गहलोत जी लड़ गए आपके साथ, आप उसके लिए प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे? उन्होंने केसेस ठोक दिए यूनियन मिनिस्टर पे, स्टिंग का वीडियो रिलीज कर दिया, और यहां तक कि आप अपने खुद के एमएलएस को आप गुजरात उनको ले जाकर आप उनको वहां रख रहे हैं, उसकी क्या वजह थी? एमएलएस को क्यों ले गए?
मैं कहता हूं ये जो वीडियो बनाने का इनका कोई अधिकार नहीं है, कोई ऑथेंटिक नहीं है, किसी का टैपिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं जब तक आप होम डिपार्टमेंट से अधिकृत रूप से लिस्ट बनाकर सूचना नहीं लेते हैं। इन्होंने जो भी काम किया वो कानून के विरुद्ध किया और उसके स्वयं के ओएसडी ने किया।
आपके एमएलए जो
कोई अधिकार नहीं है,
उनके आपके एमएलए जो
हमारे एमएलए बहुत ऐसा है कि मैं सोचता हूं हमने एमएलए को गुजरात जो भेजा ना, मैं इनके कारण से नहीं भेजा है, उनकी सुरक्षा और ये तो इन्होंने बाड़ाबंदी की, हमने बहुत होशियारी से उनको एकजुट रखने का प्रयास किया है।
अच्छा।
हमने अगर चाहते तो 15 दिन पहले भी कर सकते थे, 15 दिन पहले नहीं किया हमने।
अच्छा।
ये 14 तारीख का जैसे ही विधानसभा कॉल कर दिए और 11 तारीख का कोर्ट का फैसला आने वाला था,
इसीलिए आपने उनको सुरक्षा के लिए
उन लोगों को हमने।
अच्छा, ठीक है। जयवीर शेरगिल
निश्चित रूप से
ओके, जयवीर शेरगिल उसका जवाब देना चाहते हैं। जयवीर शेरगिल, यस, एंड देन वी आउट ऑफ टाइम।
सबसे पहले तो जो भाजपा कल तक कहती थी हमने चोरी नहीं की, आज कह रही है चोरी करते वक्त वहां पे कैमरे कांग्रेस ने क्यों लगा दिए जब ये टेप थी ही नहीं, और टेप टैप क्यों की उस बात पे। दूसरा, आई फील दिस एंटायर द डिस्कशन ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग मिस्टर राहुल गांधी बिट अम्यूजिंग और ओवर अफेक्शन। इफ रम्बलिंग्स इन अ पार्टी is a barometer to judge central leadership. Today, Manipur BJP government is facing a floor test. I have not heard anybody questioning Amit Shah or Mr. Modi. The deputy CM of Karnataka is upset, does not attend his own party celebration. Nobody has raised a finger at Mr. Amit Shah or Mr. Modi. So today, I think the credit should be given. Last point.
With all respect, the internal turbulence within the Congress is far greater than of the BJP. I don't think you can compare the two. Look at what has happened just in Madhya Pradesh just a few months ago. You lost a senior leader, the state government collapsed. Rajasthan could have been MP 2.0.
No, definitely. There is, I am not finding solace or happiness in the rumblings in the Bharatiya Janata Party. I'm just pointing out the two different set of rules being applied to Mr. Shah when he does his Chanakya Niti, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi actually resolves the situation. That is not labeled as Chanakya Niti. There are lessons from Rajasthan. There are lessons from Madhya Pradesh. That is why today you have seen a situation where we are numerically, mathematically strong, serving the people and listening to our upset MLAs at the same time in a fixed mechanism.
Okay, let's see how the truce shapes up and how long it lasts, if it lasts. But it's very interestingly poised in Rajasthan tonight. Thank you all so much for joining us. That's all the time we have on Reality Check. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye. Good night.